here and I just got the suitcase in and I wanted just to show you guys a little bit about it. So this is gonna be 20 inches, so it's gonna be TSA approved, so it's gonna be absolutely great for those carry-on items. So it does come with like a thing over top of the whole entire piece here. And then also there's another sticker right here that you're gonna be able to kind of peel off very easily as well. And this just kind of goes over a little bit more. So it has the TSA lock, it does have an expansion, it's gonna be very strong, and it has antibacterial lining, okay? So you can see what it looks like. So again, it's gonna be very nice to be able to use, because look at this, you guys, like one hand, like look at how well that is going to roll. And so I feel like my carry-on luggage was always like either a backpack or something else that like I'm holding. And so I'm really excited for this one because it's gonna be able to move around so much easier. You can see it does have the handle here, and it opens up very nice and easy, and you're gonna be able to do it at that height, or you can bring it all the way up depending on kind of who's pulling it. So this would even be great for like my kids' luggage. So obviously it'd be for me for a carry-on, or even for like my kids' stuff to put all together. It does have a nice handle right here as well to be able to grab it. But one thing that I really like with this is it has an expansion one. Okay, so check this out, you guys. You're gonna be able to take this one right here, and look at this. It just expands it out that much more. So that way, if you're someone like me that maybe you go and like you don't have tons of stuff, but when you come back, it's really full, or vice versa. You guys look at that. It just expanded out. Look at that. So it just expanded out that whole entire little bit. So that way you're gonna be able to fit that much more in it. Because again, whenever I go one place, I come back and I just have so many more items. Okay, the other part that's nice is it does have that TSA lock. So again, you have these two right here, and you're gonna be able to bring them right there. And again, you're gonna be able to, if you guys can see here, you're just going to stick them right in there, and then it has the code for the lock. So I really like that safety feature as well. All right, so let's open up the inside so you guys can see it. One thing is I do like the zippers. It just seems very, very sturdy. Okay, so on the inside, you can see you do have this spot right here. And you guys, check this out. This, even right here, opens up. That is pretty cool. I just saw that. So you have this right here. You can see kind of opens up that way. You have that lining part on the inside there. So let's close that one up. You do have this pocket right here that's going to be able to zip. And then you have extra pockets even here, okay? So you have this one you saw that we just zipped up. But then you have these pockets right here that are mesh. So you have one there, and then you have another one right here. And then this one even has another mesh bag in there as well. So let's put that one back. And this bottom one is gonna be great because you can see here, again, it does have that zipper that you're gonna be able to open up if needed. But it does have this spot right here, especially if you have clothes or anything like that. And then it is adjustable as well, depending on how much you have in there, you're gonna be able to adjust it. So overall, really like this part. You can see that it even has like another little hidden pocket right there. That way you can put other things in there. So I like all the different zippers on here, especially for being like that carry-on luggage, because for me, I'm always putting like, I'm throwing things in there and then I lose things. So the fact that they have those extra zippers on the inside, I really like that. So it's gonna be that hard pack. So that way you're gonna be nice and safe, whether you check your bag, whether you carry around, or even like for me, I'm going away this weekend. And so this is gonna be the perfect luggage for me, just because it's good enough that it's gonna be able to carry my stuff just for like that short weekend. And so definitely recommend getting this if you guys are looking for a nice bag to be able to carry around, whether it's a carry-on, whether it's just your main luggage, or even if you just need to be able to pack stuff up and go somewhere. This is also going to be amazing on these. Look at this. It rolls so easy to be able to, whether it's to the airport, whether it's outside, to the car, wherever it was, because you can see the extra large wheels that it has. And so thank you guys so much for watching the review, and definitely go out and get yourselves one of these 20-inch carry-on bags.